Chilliz generally is a low-positioned coin with the ticker CHZ that truly has a sort of present worth of $0.0818002 and a market capitalization of $727.079210, which sort of is very huge. Digital currencies in a real sense have sort of lengthy past the reason behind being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors, which fundamentally is very critical. These days, it's a resource class that essentially is significantly managed and, surprisingly, embraced as legitimate delicate, or so they generally thought. Some especially huge speculation banks even explicitly secure Chilliz and extremely other digital forms of money as a group to, by and large, safeguard their resources under administration, against a dashing expansion that disables the conventional monetary business sectors in a for the most part enormous manner. Presently, now is the ideal time to sort of uncover our short, mid, and in every practical sense, long-haul expectation of the advancements on the CHZ market that really depend on the readings of our kind of exceptional crypto unpredictability record that for the most part assists us with measuring the market feeling and explicitly expect where in which the market means to go. Which essentially is genuinely huge. At this point, the cost of Chilliz really is $0.0818002, while the coin right now in a real sense winds up at 65th spot in the by and large, essentially positioning in an unobtrusive manner. The said essentially positioning really is assessed based on the resource's fundamentally present value that in a real sense is duplicated by its kind of current market capitalization, a recipe that in a real sense is applied all through every single monetary market. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions, so our clients generally get the most pertinent information in regards to the presentation of advanced assets in their portfolios, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. It's likewise critical to consider the verifiable information that permits shaping a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its heading in an unpretentious manner. On January 10, the cost of Chilliz sort of was at $0.075039 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change for the most part added up to 7.56%. 7 days prior, on January 4, CHZ was esteemed at $0.080539, which most certainly intends that from that point forward, the cost by and large has fundamentally vacillated by 0%, showing how these days, it's a resource class that basically is considerably managed and, surprisingly, embraced as lawful delicate, or so they really thought. A month prior, on December 11, the market member laid out the cost of Chilliz at $0.082319. In this manner, the coin in every way that really matters has made a 0.63% move to sort of arrive at its kind of present standings, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Nonetheless, as currently made sense of, the cost of Chilliz isn't the main certainly factor that we most certainly consider while making the cost expectation. It means quite a bit to keep an especially sharp eye on changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey to by and large have a for the most part clear perspective on where the market generally is going in an unobtrusive manner. The examination of market capitalization truly conveys truly equivalent significance in both digital money and conventional business sectors in an exceptionally large manner. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology basically is utilized to sort of decide the fundamentally and general position and ubiquity of computerized resources and stocks, for example, which certainly is very huge. Changes in market capitalization really sure genuinely negative sort of are likewise characteristic of the manner by which the said market may head, as well as the resources especially potential for making gains or posting misfortunes in both by and large short and fundamentally long-haul viewpoints amazingly. This specific exceptionally metric is additionally used to measure the strength of Chilliz, according to the remainder of the digital currency market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future exhibition, which certainly is genuinely critical. To decide the truly current market capitalization of CHZ, we basically duplicate the circling supply, the boundary that will truly be made sense of later by the in every practical sense present worth of the cryptographic money under survey, so digital currencies really have extremely lengthy past the purpose in being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors. Or so they generally thought. Starting today, the market capitalization of Chilliz in a real sense remains at $727.079210. Which shapes the reason for exceptionally present truly positioning basically was referenced before, so as a matter of fact. A similar numerical methodology in a real sense is utilized to decide the extremely by and large position and prominence of computerized resources and stocks, for example in a significant way in a real sense. Yesterday, on January 10, CHZ in a real sense had a market capitalization of $666,968,192, beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking. Keep going week, on January 4, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to in every way that really matters was recorded at $624,126,352 in an unpretentious manner. A month prior, on December 11, the market worth of Chilliz basically was evaluated to by and large be $630,155,956, exhibiting a month prior, in December 11, the market worth of Chilliz especially was surveyed to generally be $630,155,956, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. All-out supply considers the quantity of coins that for the most part have proactively been created by different means, for example, through mining in a very large way. These digital currencies can sort of be utilized either for essentially dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with caretakers, showing that a month prior, on December 11, the market worth of Chilliz for the most part was evaluated to by and large be $630,155,956, exhibiting a month prior, in December 11. The market worth of Chilliz especially was surveyed to be $630,155,956 in a truly significant manner. This especially metric likewise calculates the coins that generally have been eliminated through the cycle called consuming, which most certainly is applied to control the expansion rate in an unpretentious manner. At this point, the all-out supply of Chilliz sort of is laid out at 888 CHZ, or so they especially thought. In conclusion, the circling supply certainly is utilized to in a real sense compute the market capitalization and sort of evaluate the coins truly current remaining in the positions in an unpretentious way. It signifies the exceptionally generally speaking measure of CHZ that is by and by exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that truly are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly in a real sense, put unavailable for general use for reasons unknown, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. It's by and large certainly accepted that digital currencies that fundamentally have a coursing supply between 60 million and 150 million explicitly are the most appropriate for pretty long-haul speculation, since they in every practical sense are generally in every practical sense liable to for the most part value in esteem over a drawn-out timeframe, potentially many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate, which for the most part is genuinely huge. At this crossroads, Chilliz in every practical sense has a flowing stock of 888,292,417 coins, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Over the kind of beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with CHZ arrived at the place of $55,259,196 in a kind of large manner. Yesterday, on January 10, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame explicitly remained at $43.